Welcome back to Akshay's Little World. Today is a very special day. I got my hands on Apple's brand new MacBook Air M4. Let's see what's inside. Apple's packaging is minimal and premium as always. Right, let's unbox this beauty. That was satisfying. And here it is. Wow, midnight black looks even better in real. It's sleek and it honestly feels like a piece of tech art. Underneath we've got the usual, a color matching MagSafe cable and the USB-C power adapter. This thing is ridiculously thin and light. We are talking just over 1.2 kg, which means this will slide into your bag like it's not even there. The finish is matte, which should help reduce fingerprints. Now let's talk about the specifications. This MacBook comes with the Apple M4 chip with a 10-core CPU and a 10-core GPU, 512GB SSD, which means super fast storage. This Mac also has a liquid retina display, which means 13.6 inches of pure eye candy. Apple also claims up to 18 hours of battery life. Let's power it up for the first time. Look at the display, colors just pop and the scrolling is buttery smooth. Just my first look, but apps open instantly, the animations are smooth, and the new M4 chip is an amazing upgrade. So that's the unboxing of the MacBook Air M4 in midnight black. And honestly, Apple might have nailed the perfect balance of power, portability and style. And don't forget to like, subscribe and join me for more awesome tech adventures here on Akshay's Little World. See you next time. Bye bye.